moderator. So nowadays what we see that cloud is a buzzword, and it seems like each and everything can be taken to the cloud and can be conducted on the cloud. Whether it's a process, whether it's automation testing, performance testing, everything we think that okay, it can be taken to the cloud and it will be helpful. But that is the session we are talking about, that it does not make sense to take everything to the cloud, right? And the question is when we should think about taking performance testing from the cloud. So that is one part we'll discuss. We'll also discuss about how to find it out when it is a cost effectiveness, when it is a cost effective to generate a load from cloud. Because most of the time advertisements, if you see, most of the vendors out there, they say that okay, if you do a performance testing from the cloud, it's a very cost effectiveness. But is this a reality? We need to find it out over here. Especially from the cost effectiveness, when we are talking about, means do we consider whether hardware procurements, do we consider the maintenance of those hardwares, do we consider the electricity being used for setting up, for maintaining those labs, or internet bandwidth. So all these things we should be considering during cost effectiveness of setting up the lab on a cloud. So we'll also talk about in details. And then we'll give a demo to show that okay, how we can set up a lab into the cloud, and then what are some of the typical challenges that we faced while setting up our lab on the cloud. So we'll discuss about these things in detail. So the very first thing is, if I ask a question, can we do